Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your first Discord bot to your own server. So in this example, I'm going to be adding a moderation bot, and this should help keep things tidy and orderly within my own custom server. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open Google Chrome and I'm going to look for the bot I want to add. In this case, I'll be using Me6, but there are plenty of other choices to choose from. If you'd like to find more bots, all you have to do is search Google and type in Discord bot list. And here you're going to find plenty of websites dedicated to cataloging and creating a database for bots that you can add to your server. And they serve a variety of functions and have various personalities. But again, to keep things simple, I'll be using Me6, one of the oldest and most widely known moderation and all-purpose bots. So here, I'm simply going to go to their website, which I found by searching its name in Google. And then on the website, I'm going to click on Add to Discord. So this opens a link that should automatically link to, there we go, connect to my Discord client. And I'm going to scroll down. So these are the permissions that it requires. I'm going to click on authorize. Going to return to my browser now and click on setup. There we go. And I'm going to click on continue. So these are the permissions that Me6 has, and I keep everything on so that I can make full access. I can make full use of the tools Me6 has to offer. Going to finish a quick captcha. And there we go. As you can see here on the member list at the right side, there are now two people online, me and the bot, Me6. So that's how to add your first Discord bot to your custom server. I hope that was pretty easy to follow, and it might seem a little intimidating at first to set everything up. Anyway, I hope you were able to learn something new and something useful, and thank you for watching.